Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make slime without Activator. First, gather your ingredients: liquid dish soap and cornstarch. Combine about 1/4 cup of dish soap with 1/2 cup of cornstarch in a bowl. Mix thoroughly until a thick, dough-like consistency forms. If it's too sticky, add a little more cornstarch, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it's perfect. Beyond dish soap and cornstarch, you can experiment with other combinations. Try mixing shampoo with a pinch of salt. The salt helps thicken the shampoo into a slime-like texture. Another option is using clear glue with liquid laundry detergent, though this acts more like a traditional activator. Remember, the key is finding ingredients that react to create that stretchy, gooey consistency. Achieving the perfect slime often requires a bit of trial and error. Always start with the recommended ratios, but don't be afraid to adjust. If your slime is too sticky, gradually add more of your thickening agent, like cornstarch or salt. If it's too stiff, a tiny bit more liquid, such as dish soap or shampoo, can help. Thorough mixing is crucial for an even texture. To keep your homemade slime fresh and playable for as long as possible, always store it in an airtight container when not in use. This prevents it from drying out and collecting dust. Remember, while making slime is fun, it's important to supervise younger children, especially to ensure they don't ingest any ingredients. And speaking of keeping things tidy, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing voice-controlled, self-emptying, pet-friendly robot, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.